Welcome back to Dion's Journey and part 2 of the Lulu, Texas meetup. In this video, I wanted to show how we had such a great time together, how we danced, others shared their musical gifts with us, and then finally, my workout. I truly miss the friendships I made at this meetup. We spent a whole week together, and many of us journeyed on and spent another week together. It was just wonderful. Everyone knows how much I love music, and we were so fortunate to have women that were willing to share their musical talents with us. I was so excited about the performances and so in the moment that I didn't check the mic, and I realized after that I wasn't recording any of the audio. But I just wanted to share the moment with you to just see how much fun we had. This meetup was actually my 5th Lulu's Way meetup. I'm always asked what motivates me to attend every single Lulu meetup. I am definitely inspired by all the women I meet, their stories, and all their tricks and gadgets. But the main thing, I love the fact that she plays music and we dance and we have movement together. We had a chorus line where we did kicks like the Can Can Girls. We did a Soul Train bandstand line where we went it down individually dancing. I just had to put the camera down and join in. Here's Andrea, and you can follow her on YouTube.
Energy is the energy of this earth. Through our minds and bodies, we give it birth. We're the portal between two worlds, cosmically connected, and we will be heard. Women get things done. Women get things done. Women, we get things done. War and poverty, can't they see the greed is killing us? We keep shouting love's the answer, but they just ain't hearing us. Women rising from the ashes, and women rising up against all fascist women. They get things done. Women, we get things done. Women, we get things done. Now don't get it twisted. We're not asking for your permission. World's in a sad condition, and fighting patriarchy is our mission. We're claiming our cosmic child. Our power is by design. Women, we get things done. Women, we get things done. Women, we get things done. Whoa, women, we get things done. Women, we get justice done. Women, we get peace done. Women, we get love done. Women, we get equality done. Women, we get life done. Women, we get things done.
I truly felt so grateful to be able to do my morning routine on the beach. My workout incorporates a little of my spirituality, meditation, stretching, and yoga. This is the butterfly pose. It opens the hips, the groin, knees, and inner thighs. It can also improve your posture over time. Notice how I flutter my legs like wings. The knee to chest pose strengthens lower back muscles, massages the abdomen, and also the pelvic muscles. Traditionally, with the knees to chest pose, you're not supposed to lift the extended leg, but I try to get in a workout whenever I can. So I do lift those to try to strengthen my thigh and my abdomen muscles as well. You can probably tell by my breathing pattern that I'm really getting a good workout. The seated twist stretches the neck, chest, shoulders, upper and lower back. It can also help improve posture over time as well. And in yoga, when you do something on one side, you have to do it on the other side. That gives you balance. And in life, you want to have balance. This is the cat-cow stretch, which increases our energy and blood flow. It also strengthens our spine and back muscles. As they say, you are only as young as the flexibility of your spine. This is a modified hydrant dog extension. It helps strengthen and tone the muscles in the lower body, and it's great for maintaining balance, stability, and posture. This was my poor attempt at a cobra pose. Had to try it again. The cobra pose is a great stretch for your back. From there, I go straight into the downward facing dog pose, which is a full body stretch. It strengthens your arms and your hamstrings and the flexibility of the range of motion. This is the standing knee to chest pose. You must balance. It's best to find a focal point and concentrate. It improves your balance, the stability in your legs. It strengthens your thighs, calves, ankles, and spine. I like to incorporate balance poses in my practice because they require me to maintain stability and focus. Deep, steady breaths are essential for staying centered, and this is the perfect time to go into a meditation. A strong sense of balance encourages stillness in yoga poses as well as stillness in our mind. Not to mention, having good balance helps in preventing falls, injury, and making our daily activities easier. I love yoga because in maintaining this balance, it requires coordinations from our muscles, tendons, bones, eyes, ears, and brain, which makes it truly a full body workout. Remember, life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. I truly had so much fun at Magnolia Beach. The final leg of my practice, I like to give honor to God and thanking Him for allowing me to have this experience, as well as to honor the ladies that made this possible for us. I also wanted to give reverence to the ocean, acknowledging not only its beauty, but also its power. Thank you for joining me on another leg of my journey. And if you liked the video, please consider commenting, liking, or subscribing. See you soon.